One of the hardest parts about designing a steam shower for your home is the sizing. With every other manufacturer out there, you need to know the material that goes on the wall in your shower. If that changes throughout the process, it can change the size of the generator you need. With Thermosol, they make sizing very, very easy. All you need to know is length by width by height, and you can do it right here in the configurator on thermosol.com. Just go to Design Your Steam Shower. Are you a consumer or are you a showroom consultant? And then you enter your length by width by height. Then you're going to start getting all the options that you have for exactly your size and your shower to give you the perfect size steam generator for that perfect steam in your shower.